I was streaming the whole time.
You weren't.
I was.
No, you weren't.
I was.
You were not, because I didn't get a notification.
Oh, fuck. I was trying to trick you.
I'm not an idiot.
Well, you kind of are.
No.
Okay, I need to hear if this. Oh my god. Can
Also,
you talk, please?
I'm streaming, and I completely forgot in an instant. I instantly forgot that I was streaming.
Okay, I need to turn you up a little bit.
Okay.
Because I always have my desktop audio really quiet.
Mm-hmm. I got a notification from Mobile Dashboard.
What is your notification? Please use your.
It's Mobile Dashboard.
What the fuck? I just got the notification. Unity is hell. Watch us suffer.
Yeah, I told you that was gonna be my stream title.
Yeah, I know, but it's just kind of like unexpected and stuff.
Do you want to click on it?
No, I'm not 50 tabbing you on.
No, but would you, in theory, want to click on it?
Yeah, that is pretty intriguing, by the way.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And for the people who don't know what Unity is, they're gonna watch us program.
Yep, programming is fun.
Except for people who don't understand it, and that's why we're gonna teach you programming.
And also except for people that do understand it. It's just overall how. Please help me.
That's fair.
I wish I never got into the field. I want to kill myself.
I don't think that's true, because you can literally leave at any moment. You're not studying shit.
Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Why is there a hippie on my screen?
Anyway, basically what you're looking here is a demon's hex that only works out of true randomness, because even I have no clue what the fuck is happening here.
I want to see what you're doing right now.
The movement system. I hate program movement. I hate it so much.
Same here. It's horrible.
Yeah. But what are you going to program?
What am I gonna program? That's a good question.
You don't have to you can design the levels, but like we first maybe need more like of the movement implemented.
I think no. You're working on implementing more of the movement because I did my part already.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Okay, I'm the one who has sourced this man that has helped us find the movement code that we needed.
True.
And I'm the
but
one
you didn't implement it.
Yes, but
I
the thing
did.
Is, you didn't either, technically.
But at least I asked him for help. You didn't do that.
It's because I wasn't available at the time. Please don't turn us into
That's not my problem. Anyway.
Well, anyway.
We're selling think.
Okay, I need to see what Trudeau's talking about.
What is Trudeau talking about?
He's asking me if I want to come to Pixel Banker. Oh, am I gonna be like filing taxes tomorrow?
Oh yay, filing taxes, my favorite. Anyway, guys,
I'm going to use some Photoshop to design some levels, and this means that Ash is going to be able to see how bad I am at drawing.
Yay! Hello, Jamoda9721. Welcome to hell. We are programming. Hoax and I are programming, and we're going to help you understand it, because if you understand it, we understand it, because we don't understand it now. We're going to try to explain it, and explaining the code will help us help you.
You already got free viewers.
Hello, Trudeau. Welcome to the stream. No face cam, because my face cam will take up too much space of this beautiful code.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful in the same way that a car crash is beautiful, because you can't look away from it. So not beautiful, just a mess.
That's a very good analogy.
That's because I stole it.
Now let's both. Okay, yeah, you stole it. I should have suspected that from the beginning.
So basically, what should I do next? Because let's refine the movement a bit more.
You can do that.
And you either design the levels, or just think about how you want the rest of the game to be.
Okay. Oh, also, you know how you said if the movement doesn't match up on the y-axis as well, then it does a thing.
Yeah, I fixed that.
It still seems to be jittering when I.
Yeah,
fall.
because you don't have the updated version.
I do.
No,
So-
I updated it so that.
Look. Yeah, I do have the updated version.
Yeah, I didn't. Okay.
You
What
didn't.
jittering do you mean?
Basically, when you fall, it like bounces between the new position and your old position
Yes.
over and over again whilst you're
For
falling.
me, that's no longer the case because I changed it, but I have not uploaded it to the GitHub yet, so that's why you can't see it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's just mean because I kind of need that.
Really? Didn't know.
Bruh. Fuck's sake. Someone isn't able to view the stream. Oh no.
FB. What the fuck? Why does it say I deleted so many files?
Bruh. Because you deleted some code files that I told you to remember.
I did not.
Oh.
Models? It just did a lot of meta files. Why are... You know what? I'm not even gonna give a shit.
Wait, is it all .matter?
Basically all of it, except one of them is crate.blend. Two of them are crate.blend 1.
Okay, something's wrong with my stream. It's not loading.
Let me see. Hoax.
Hello, Adam.
You have literally paused your stream.
Oh.
There's literally a big fucking pause button. Thank you. Are you?
No. It's that other people can't like.
I'm watching it currently.
Load my stream.
I'm watching it currently.
Wait, does pausing my stream there mean that it actually pauses?
No,
my stream?
it does not.
That's
I am
what
watching
mean.
your stream and it is working.
Okay, that's a weird thing, man.
Adam's just being an idiot, like usual. I'm kidding. Please don't kill me. No? Not funny? Hello? Oh. Okay, I'm going to be your entertainment and actually go program. Because... Yeah. So, what did I change? Fixed so that movement works correctly. Do as I say and not as I do is the best way to describe what I'm doing currently, because it's not how you write changes. If you're working, please don't do it like I'm doing it. Hoax is okay with it because I don't know.
4 viewers. Oh my god.
Sorry?
I got 4 viewers. What the fuck?
What? That's
I don't know.
more than okay.
I
But
think
please don't
that's
tell me how many viewers I have. I don't want to hear it.
Okay.
Y-axis no longer checked when adding break force. Commit to lazy movement branch, push origin.
Photoshop time.
Okay. So basically, you can jump around, do all sorts of fun stuff in the game.
I'm gonna try and export an image though, because last time I tried that, it crashed.
Export an image in what?
Photoshop. Basically, the image would never work.
Weird. Did you do quick export?
Yes.
Okay, so basically I noticed that the jump speed is too big.
Okay, lazy, I can't design the levels today.
Why not?
Let me show you what happens every time I open a Photoshop file that I have created.
Okay. So we don't do 5, probably 7 is pretty good. I'm gonna go see what Hoax is complaining about. Hoax, show
This
me.
is the image. This is the image I exported,
Yeah.
and this is what shows up.
Sorry, photo cannot be available because file format is currently unsupported. Okay, go to quick export to export settings. So file export,
Yep.
export, and then export as. No,
What-
why are
what-
you doing export
You said
preferences?
you said You should go to export settings. So
No. Okay.
I did,
So
and it never.
we have
You
PNG
did it
transparent.
never. See, like I can't ever export it because this never loads.
Huh. That's quite interesting.
Why does it say it's 0 by 0 pixels?
Because it thinks it's 0 by 0
Why
pixels.
does it say now that it's 295.28 by 295.28?
Might be.
And why does it say it's
I
14,700?
see.
14,764.
Maybe try downloading a different version of Photoshop later.
Maybe I should. I don't know. It's gonna be a hard one.
Quality very poor. Just like the mirror you own.
What?
Very bad insult. Doesn't matter.
Oh,
Just
oh.
think of some ideas for the game and write them down. All of them, even
Why
the
would I
bad ones.
think? I don't even have a brain, dude.
Hoax, shut up and just try.
Okay. I'm not gonna do that at all.
I will literally stab you.
I can't wait to be stabbed.
I am going to find your address and stab you. The game was having some trouble.
Okay, can you merge the current movement branch with main?
Fine, sure.
Because I have to create my own branch. Bro, this crate looks dog shit. Maybe I should just work on that.
What looks like shit?
The crate.
Doesn't matter right now. Think of the
Yes,
full
it
game
does.
before we go further. No,
Gameplay.
the gameplay matters more than the look of something, especially in this phase of development, where the look literally does not matter a single shit.
Okay, do you want to see my new design for the thing? Just watch and hear me out, okay?
Okay.
So you have that and that.
I'm not looking. I'm creating a
No,
pull
you-
request.
Please actually look. Please actually look. Just click.
I'm merging the branch as you requested.
Yeah, but you need to just look at my new design.
I'm doing it. I'm currently looking at your new design. Haha, very funny. It is a penis.
Penis.
Yes. Extremely hilarious. Thank you for the
Thank you.
laughs and giggles.
Thank you for the compliment.
Okay. Should I work on the rocket jump?
Well, since when did we have rockets in the game? Or a rocket launcher?
Since I am going to use placeholder items.
Yeah, but we need boom explosion.
Exactly. That's what I'm going to program. And in the
Okay,
meanwhile, I'm using placeholder textures and models. You know, how you do game development.
Yeah, how you do good game development, I guess. That's cool.
Yes. Camera everything. That's a very good name.
Yeah, it's because I couldn't be bothered to think of a good name.
Yeah, I noticed. 3D object.
Did you finish the pull request?
I sure did.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for that, by the way.
You're welcome. So you
What?
want all the weapons to be in the middle of the screen, right?
Yes, because we're doing Quake.
Quake-ish. We're not doing
Yes.
Quake exactly. That would be plagiarism, and that's
Well,
a crime on
Well,
the
it's a very
internet.
old game, so no one would care.
Some people would care, but we don't care about them.
Only like 40-year-old men are still into Quake.
Do you not like, Quake still?
No, I'm just saying that usually it's 40-year-old men that are nostalgic.
Yeah, I get it. Rocket launcher.
Why did you have to do that in a really shit British accent?
I have no clue.
Being insulted from the comfort of my own home. So I'm happy.
I'm making a new branch to actually
okay.
make the
I'll
weapons.
turn my stream quality then. Bro.
Sure, I didn't save, that's why. Okay, so I made a new branch so that I can make changes without everything screwing up. So basically, I'm making a copy of the project and then changing things in there instead of Hoax making changes and me making changes to the same project, because that's gonna not go right.
Hey, Lazy, how do you add the option to be able to switch between different resolutions on your stream?
You have to be affiliates.
It only can stream at 1080p, and that's why it won't load on most phones.
That's why you have to change in your OBS that you're streaming at 720p.
Okay, let's just stop stream then and restart.
For me, you can switch because I'm affiliate.
Why would they add that?
Because that means they have to use less resources.
Yeah, well, they need to use less resources if they just let
No,
anyone.
you have to basically make multiple streams if you want to have multiple resolutions, and that's going to take more resources for them. So it kind of makes sense.
And then why don't you just downscale it for the client?
I don't know. I'm not Jeffrey Bezos. Or whoever.
Yeah, I can't
Twitch.
actually say that on Twitch, can I? Because otherwise I'm gonna get banned.
Yeah, sure you are.
Yeah, I bet I am. I bet.
What's this? This is called gun spec, so I'm gonna call this rocket spec. That good with you?
Yeah, that's good with me. You don't need to check it with me because I'm not a Wazzy.
You really don't understand what the role of a creative lead is, right? Or do you?
Well, I do, but the thing is, I don't believe in them because all they do is make the process slower than it has to be.
Let's have this talk later.
Okay.
So what the rocket launcher will do is it will check if you're firing. If you are firing and you have enough ammo, you should spawn a new item, which will go in a certain direction, and if it hits something, then it should explode.
Drop, by the way. No drop.
It's a rocket. Those typically don't have bullet drop off.
I just want to say that I don't want any drop at all.
Okay.
Some games do. I don't know why.
I don't know a game with a rocket launcher that does that.
I think there's one in TF2.
I'm like 90% sure there is not.
Shen. This is coming from a man who just said Pashen. I'm sorry.
Percent. I'm 90% sure. Do you...
Alright.
I should... He has no comments in his code, guys. He sucks. Boo.
What are we talking about, Lazy?
You have no comments in your code.
No. I was working on it and then I just got lazy again.
Yes. Yes, you really did.
I thought I was going to be the only one who would read my code for my game.
Well, you didn't. You weren't.
Yes.
And anyway,
Well,
for yourself, that's better too. I'm being a dummy. Okay, so basically we just copied code because that's the main job, is copying code and making it work.
Why is it that when you stop moving, it adds extra movement force?
Excellent question. I don't know.
That's a feature.
It's not a bug, it's a feature, guys. It's called landing and breaking your ankles.
Well, not like there's literally no health system in this game yet.
I am making a joke, please.
I'm not going to give you a chance to make a joke.
Yeah, I've noticed.
I know.
We're making this text box public, so you can select it here in the Unity editor. This is a public variable, and you can select.
You know that you can bash.
Sorry?
You can bash.
Yeah, I noticed.
Okay, thank God. It's really bad though, because the range is too small.
Unity editor? No, Unity engine. Dot.
Imagine using Unity editor.
Unity engine dot UI. because we want to do something with the UI. And then it's called a T.
You don't know that I literally have done 0 work so far.
What is a TM Pro? Using. What's TM Pro?
TM Pro is Text Mesh Pro.
Is that just officially Unity supported?
Basically, yeah, it's an officially Unity supported extension to the text system, which makes it like not look like crap and really, really low resolution. Basically, the resolution of the text upscales with the size of the actual text in game.
Okay.
So it's to make text look better. That's what the component for the ammo counter is.
I noticed. Text Mesh Pro is what that means. Okay. So
Yes.
basically we want ammo as well, because I'm stealing your code for the gun and making it work
Yeah,
for the
I'm fine
rocket.
with that. I'm fine with that, dude.
Yeah. If I didn't do that, that would probably waste so much time.
Yeah, and also it wouldn't be true to the original weapon system, so it'd look very weird.
Okay. Max ammo stored, max ammo active, stored ammo, active ammo. I get it. Can shoot is just a boolean, right?
Yeah,
it
basically
is.
can shoot is like for the animation.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that you can't shoot
The
during
reload.
animation. Yes. Yes, brother. Let's see how this is going.
A rocket launcher should give 0 force. So give force can be removed from existence.
No, give for. Okay, let me just. Wait, no, I need to go through this. I need to go through this.
Give force. I know exactly
Two-
what that is.
Yeah,
That is
I
a
know, but,
knockback.
like, this... Okay.
Oh no, that's a knockback the gun gives, probably.
Kickback force is a knockback that
Mhm.
you get from firing the weapon.
Yeah.
And give force is a force given to an object hit by the projectile of that weapon.
Mhm.
But you won't need that because
It's a
rocket
rocket.
launcher isn't a hit scan weapon.
Exactly.
It's a projectile based.
Exactly. Hit scan basically means that you shoot the weapon, and instead of shooting a bullet, it just checks if there's something that you're pointing at. If
Being very you're being very viewer friendly here.
yes, because we understand how games work. Not everyone does.
Everyone needs to grow brain cells.
No, not everyone has to know this. We do, because we're making games. Spray is also not necessary because, you know, and it's also called something else, but whatever. Kickback, also not necessary.
Okay, I've got people being based very overhead. Darkened Light 2 says, I am a knower of how games work.
I'm
Well
very
done,
proud of
buddy.
you.
He's part of the Prime Gaming team as well.
He has Prime Gaming.
Yes, Prime Gaming team. Very epic.
You know you can just pop out the chat, right?
Yeah, I know, but the thing is, no.
Sure.
Because you know the extension, like a chat extensions from OBS that it pops out the window in OBS.
Yeah.
For some reason it likes turning itself off every time I relaunch OBS, so I forgot to turn it back on. And I don't want to restart stream again because you can't turn it on without restarting stream.
I know, but okay, sure.
I don't want to kill my stream instantly.
You can also just open Creator Dashboard and then get it from there.
Okay, yeah,
Bruh,
I'm not gonna allow
it's like TF2.
Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna allow that. That's the very
Moron
good
isn't a
word.
bad word. Moron is a term of endearment meant to tell someone they are a shit person. Definitely how
Okay.
language works.
Okay. Voidless, a movement shooter, is basically a shooting game
Where
like
you
Pew
move.
Pew, but like movement is the main point, and you want to gain as much speed as you can and be very cool and be stylish. That's my best way of explaining it. Okay.
You move a lot and you shoot a lot.
You kill people, but also you kill
Oh,
people.
God, I
but
hate that.
fast.
So shoot. Timer.
Oh, Carlson, for God's sake.
Yes, Carlson is a movement shooter.
Okay, what should I add in?
Counter.
Because I haven't contributed at all today.
Yes, so do that.
But why? No, I'm not white. What? I'm
Think
confused.
of how you want the game to be. Explain the game to me. The entire game, from start to finish, the single player
I
mode.
can't really. I can't.
Then make things up on the spot.
Carlson. There, done.
I hate you.
I'm just ripping off my chat right here. And by the way, you get no credit. Whoever typed that in chat.
Oh, I thought you were gonna tell me, and I was like, oh well, I guess I'll just not do anything.
No. You get credit. Don't worry, dude. Otherwise, this project would be dead.
Yes. Header, animator.
You should bring me into that VC now. Fuck off, dog.
We're not even in a VC.
Yeah, but we're in a DM VC, dude. Like, a
Private
call.
call.
Private call. Shut up, Basie.
A
You didn't
PC.
just best.
Eh? No?
You
Okay.
didn't just best me in a PC. Oh, fuck.
Shoulder trace? What's that supposed to be?
Wait, shoulder trace. Where's shoulder trace?
What is shoulder trace?
Okay.
Gun spec shoulder. Do not help me looking for it.
It's
Apparently
not
it's
even
unused.
in. Yeah, I think I might have added that and never used it.
We can easily check it. Remove it. It's not giving any errors, which means
No. I know what it is. You know the tracer for the bullet? You won't need this for rocket launch, by the way.
Okay.
You know how there's like a tracer between where you hit and where the gun's barrel is in games just to give it that extra effect?
Yes.
That's the option to turn it on and off. But I never implemented it because I forgot to, and I forgot that the ball was even there.
Oh, okay. Game object bullet tracer not necessary. Trace origin also not necessary. It's just me removing shit. Bullet hole
dogs.
also not necessary. I don't think a giant explosion is gonna cause a bullet hole.
My god, Dark has just made a TF2 reference.
What is a TF2 reference?
Also add a coconut that has all the code of the game inside that object, so if you were to remove the nut, the game fucking dies.
We're gonna build the entire game, but we're gonna stack it on top of that coconut. And then when you tip it over, just like Django, the entire game falls down.
No, this coconut just, like...
It is the heart of the game.
No, it harnesses the power of gravity, so when you turn the coconut, gravity moves with it.
You tried your best, and you failed horribly.
I don't care, I'm still making a gravitational coconut.
Please actually go work on the game.
Gravitational coconut.
You know,
I'm
I
doing
can
that.
still quit the project.
Why do you have to threaten me with that? That's actually
Because
pretty
you're not
mean.
doing anything.
I'm making a gravitational coconut.
That's not useful.
Yes, it is. It's a
It might be
weapon in the
funny, but it's
game.
not useful. That is
Why do I
the
keep...
most me IRL thing ever. And that it was the most cringe thing ever. Me using me IRL and ironically.
Me IRL so relatable, am
Yes.
I right?
How do you do, fellow kid?
Fucking good. No, Voidless, why would you put that? They put smiley face and a gun. Very nice.
Very funny, very funny.
They're gonna shoot
Okay,
yourself.
so
It's a coconut duck. Shut up, it's a coconut. It's a coconut.
public
just Get some
game
where
object.
is it?
Game object is just an object in
You
the
wouldn't
game. Makes sense. And then we're gonna make that
Coco
rocket itself.
What? It's like something you put coconut.
And when you shoot,
Okay.
you
Okay, let's look at this.
Instantiate.
Let's look at coconut. Over it. Okay.
make a new game object, which
We're
is
gonna... Wait,
projectile.
what the hell? The image that I'm getting the coconut from is from a website that says coconut for babies, first food for babies, solid stars.
Stop being distracted.
Making a coconut.
I have a reason to be distracted. I've been diagnosed with ADHD. You do not. Get diagnosed or start working. Not how it
Okay.
works, but you get the
Lazy.
point.
I think I've made the coconut. They look pretty similar.
I'm not gonna look. Basically, we make another game object so that we can track the rocket. And then if fuck my brain. Then we make a new game object, which is the rocket. We instantiate or create the a copy of this game object, which we will define later. And
Coconut has hair.
we
What the
should
fuck?
here we can see that we should have the object, we should have where it starts, and what the rotation will be. The rotation will just be the player's direction, and the position where it starts should be at the barrel position.
Lazy, do you like the hair on this coconut? There's a bit too much hair, I think. It was like a kiwi. You're gonna quit the
Hoax.
project right now, aren't you?
Please. I'm working on your game and you're not doing shit.
I know. This is how the past 2 years of this game's development has been going.
Hoax. It's very easy to fix this. Close Blender.
Okay, I will. Sure. Fine.
Work on anything for the game. Make a map.
Not both of us, Dark. Just me.
What did Dark say?
Dark asked if it was both. It's like, and he said, "You'll have been working on this game for 2 years. It's only me that has been working on it for 2
He
years."
has been
And I was
working
like,
for 2 years and restarting a project multiple times. I came here and said, shut up and work
It
on the
corrupted
project.
3 times. It corrupted 3 times. Okay, you can't blame me for those 3 times. That's
I
what
will.
started this whole mess.
I can and I will. And
And
I
that's
have.
actually what started this whole mess. It would have been finished by now if it wasn't like corrupted.
I don't think that's true.
Do you have your movement? Yes.
We
But
have
the
our
thing is-
movement finally. After he
Yeah, we
asked
have-
help from someone.
Yeah, we got help from some dude because we wanted to make it crispy and clean.
And also, you should have asked for help earlier.
Shut up. I actually ask for help all the time.
Okay, good. Keep it that way.
Yeah.
I'm charging my school Chromebook because Minecraft is on it. Cool. Where?
Wait, you tabbed into my stream?
Yes. No one's on my
Fuck.
stream.
Wait, let's see. Let's actually see.
Okay, no, you're getting distracted. We're both getting distracted.
Why do you have to remind me? It's fun. being
Because you can't remind yourself.
I know.
This is why I have Ritalin.
Okay. I have no water on me. Shit. I'm not gonna get distracted.
Are you on the main branch?
No, I'm on Hoax branch, a new one that I made.
Okay. Hoax, your friend is like me on any school project. Because I have to be. I have to be like this.
Should I put on music, chat? Do you think
No.
that's a good idea?
Focus on program.
No, music helps me focus so much. It's a really good help.
Okay, do that.
Okay, chat, do you think I should put music on?
Yes. I am, as your chat, I say yes.
But you're not my chat, so...
It's not if the video... If it's not the video I sent you.
What?
Oh, okay. Never mind.
They DM me a video or something?
Probably.
Oh, yes, they did.
Don't play it. Hoax.
Bro, that's allowed. What the fuck? It's not even a video, it's just a still image with music behind it.
Hoax. Please.
No. Why? Okay, I'm gonna turn on music now.
Go
Otherwise, I'm gonna...
get a cube
die.
and make it so that if you hit the cube at a speed that is high enough, you go to the next level. That's it. Can you do that?
That's what our final goal is gonna be.
Sorry?
That's what the game's final goal is gonna be.
Exactly. So please do that.
Okay, let's find some good music quick, chat, okay?
I will send you good music if you then instantly start programming.
Okay.
This is all non-copyright. This is...
Dun, 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 dun. That's pretty copyrighted, isn't it? Team
What?
Fortress 2 music.
No, it's not. It's game
Wait,
music.
actually, is it uncopyrighted?
Like most game music is uncopyrighted.
Okay, then I'm playing through the whole TF2 soundtrack.
Don't do that.
I am. I have done it before, and it's very fun. I love this game.
Okay, here's chill stream music.
I
Now,
don't care.
please go make that.
This music will actually make me focus.
Okay.
It's TFT music. We need to start with medic.
So now we need to make. We have Rocket. Do we have the
best
player yet? Please don't touch it. That's... Please don't hum your music.
I know. It's just a habit I have.
Yeah, I
Okay.
noticed. Why do you have the player's rigid bodies? Because of the because of pushback. Okay, got it.
Music slaps.
Can shoot.
Oh, it's because I can't see for shit.
Can't shoot. So now we should have all the things we need. Friction bullshit and friction garbage.
Did you actually? Okay. Also, don't get rid of any of the vehicle scripts because those are very important.
I'm
worked
not
very-
removing shit about vehicles.
Thank God, because I worked very hard on this.
So we do
You.
shoot. We do the player, which is rigid. What is the player?
Yeah, I did have sliding in it before dark. But we've already just
Please
implemented the new
work on your own
stuff.
thing.
No, I'm just telling. I'm answering chat questions.
Okay, thank you. I thought
Dark,
I thought
we
you
had sliding before,
player.
but we had to redo the movement because it was pretty crap. So
Player rigid body dots. Position. Yay. So what we can do is dot transform dot position. That will work, right? No, it doesn't. Great.
Let's do some epic gaming coding.
Player dot transform dot
Now we
forward.
click on Knuckles and get ready.
It should be
Wait, no. Okay,
player
I'll see you in a bit then.
body dot
void.
transform. Rotation. So this will means it gets the rotation from the player. This is the position from the player, but we don't
True.
want the exact position of the player. We want it to be a bit lower, which is what we're gonna do now, because vector 3 just means 3 values: x, y, and z. And
This is
since
lazy.
Yeah?
Good maths. Basic maths.
transform position
No,
dot
we don't need that.
y, and then we're gonna do minus some value that we can choose, because then it means that the rocket will spawn lower than just directly in your face.
Oh, I've got an ad right now.
Although it spawns not at the camera, so maybe this is fine. Let's just try it.
Rigid body. Fucking hell.
Player rigid body
Layer.
dot
Thank you.
transform dot position.
On collision enter, and then we do a little bit called
So
if collision
and now we just say
transform.
just make a quick void.
is equal to the value of
Create a
player
method.
because that's what's on our player, so we can detect if it is a player, and then we make player equal to collision dot rigid body. Easy. This is great. What's this song even called? I forgot the name of it. Oh, it's called Soldier of Dance. I thought it had an actual good name.
Please don't.
But you know what song I'm talking about, basically.
Nope.
Okay, that's very sad.
Text mesh scenes pre-made. Do you have a prefabs folder?
Yes.
Where is it?
Guys.
It should be pre-made.
Pre-made.
That's the name of the folder.
Okay. I heard Unity partnered with some company that made an app that people use to spread malware. Yes, it's really shit. They tried to
you-
merge
you
with
get
that company.
points, so
Also,
can't
thank
you?
you thank you for the follow, darkened day Darkened Light 2. I cannot read. Your
Yes,
stream is
that's
better.
dark from my stream.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Are people moving to your stream?
Yes,
This is
apparently
like-
they are.
Oh, it's because I can't stream at 1080p because otherwise half the people can't watch my stream. It's very
Yes.
sad.
So if you follow him, then he can stream better. Is basically what he's saying.
I need 50 followers and then I'll be able to stream.
No, you also need an average of 3 viewers per stream and a
What?
few other things.
How the fuck am I supposed to get that?
I don't know. I somehow got it.
This is a really good
Props,
song.
weapons, weapon. Yes. So then we're gonna make
Okay.
a cube. Yeah, I saw it from this guy called Garbage
Oh yeah,
with a J
Garbage. I
on
watch
YouTube.
Garbage as well.
on YouTube. You should check him out. He makes his own game. Apparently that's not very special anymore because I watch like 500 game developers, which makes sense. It's, the entire world could make YouTube videos. So we do rocket,
Yes, Garbage uses Godot, which
which
isn't
is
the best. I've used it before.
that's
pretty
that's
good.
your opinion. It's probably good for purposes that we do not know because we do not
it's alright.
have those purposes.
It's not like the worst game engine. It's easier to access than Unity, definitely.
I
It's
ain't
more
gonna
user
lie.
friendly.
You should make some things you can do these points. I ain't gonna lie. You should make some. Oh, please be my creative side because I have no clue what I could think of to add to those as point rewards. Maybe not in Africa. Oh, gladly. Uh oh. This should be smaller. So let me just do 0.3 or something.
Bro,
Yeah.
this script is so small. Why did it take me so long to write?
I have no clue. So let's just make this the rocket for now. What game are you making now? We're making Door Smasher, which is Hoax's idea, except he's not fleshing out the idea.
Okay, can I quickly just explain something to your chat?
Yes.
I've locked myself in a personal contract by buying a Steam page that I can't refund for, so I need to create the game. I hate the name of the game, but Steam won't let me change it.
You can can't you change the name of the game?
You can, but the thing is, since my Steam page already released temporarily, they won't let me since the game's already been promoted as Door Smasher.
Huh. Give me a few
So you can
minutes.
ch-
Brainstorming.
change it.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
thanks.
I'll do that. Dark and light.
Bro.
Let's think. So now that we're instantiating an object, we can say, oh, we want to create a rocket. Yeah. There's so many variables. Holy shit. Stored ammo 10, max ammo active 1. No, let's change it to 3. Max ammo stored 20.
Why do you want 20 rockets anyway?
I don't know. Do you want them all in one huge message or one at a time? I do not give a shit. Object reference not set an instance of an object. Let me guess.
Oh my god, we need to do Drunken Pipe Bomb. That's the best one.
What is Drunken Pipe Bomb? Is that
It's the
song?
Demo Man's trailer song.
Of course it is.
It's the best one.
Where is the canvas?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, move speed is in velocity, right?
Move speed is the maximum velocity. Yeah.
Okay.
Canvas.
More than or equals to, yeah, okay.
That's not how you spell ammo.
Ammo.
Amma.
Amma.
Yes.
I want some ammo,
The
mate.
variable player rigid body of rocket spec has not been assigned. Yes, because I do not have brain cells to work with.
Well, that's a shame.
It quite possibly is. That's probably... What is capsule versus... Okay, we don't want capsule. We want the player's rigid body. A rigid body is basically what simulates physics. So, makes it be able to fall. Okay.
We're gonna give this a bit more of a run up. Okay, so for some reason, even though the wait, why is it 0.7? It should be like 0.
Now we make the rocket so it can't hit the player itself. Ignore player. So what is the game about? Hoax does not know, but I'll tell you. You shoot things while you run, and you try to complete levels very fast. With all different ways of movement.
Be fast, get past.
Be fast, shoot enemy. And smash the goddamn door in.
Yep. Originally it was gonna be that you kick down doors and go room to room and kill people. But then that project corrupted.
Nice. Not so much, but alright.
IKEA, shut the fuck up.
So now that we're spawning rockets, we want to rocket things and basically make it move forward at a constant rate, which means we just set its velocity.
Which song is this? YEST Park, that's literally the worst one. Okay, we're going for robots, that's the best one.
Alright, 300 fix posture, 300 drink water. Water is already a thing that you can buy with the points. And people are abusing it. I have almost died by drinking too much water multiple times.
Yeah, that's totally true.
5 minute cooldown. On a 5 minute cooldown? No, it's way more fun if you can drown me. 5 minute cooldown, 100 points, highlight my message. Highlight my message already there. Exactly, now you're thinking with portals.
What are you even talking about?
My points. And they're spamming hydrate. Twice, which is not really spamming. But they had 300 points from following.
They've done hydrate on your stream twice, dude, you might die.
Oh no, twice? I guess you could say it's inspired by Carlson.
It isn't inspired by Carlson. I actually started the game project before I watched Danny. Well, actually, no. No. I need to rephrase that. Before Danny made the good version of Carlson, because I was inspired by the original version that he made, where he was challenged to make a 3D game. But then a new version came out like way after that. Well, it hasn't come out
I
yet.
will save up to 2,000 points for all hydrates, and trust me, you'll be the last person to think of that. My record, I think, is 40 hydrates. I am not joking.
How many refills did you have to do?
4.
Jesus Christ.
Sip up, boy. Don't say that.
Bro, everyone's gonna make him sip constantly.
Yeah, I know, right?
Wait, what does this donate pane even go to? It's broken as well.
What donate thing? Also, why are you procrastinating again?
I'm not. I'm just checking. I'm just making sure that my stream's all good.
Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Thank you for the Prime sub. Fuck.
Jesus Christ.
That scared me.
You got scared by a Prime sub.
Yes, and I'm very thankful. Thank you for the Prime sub. So instead of look how much hydrate I've put in chat. Yes, I've been hydrating while Hoax was talking. I thought you could hear it. Also, thanks for playing that sound. Mortal Turtle, welcome. And Darkened Light, I am. You are what? You are a lazy guy. The Prime lazy guy. Or am I a lazy guy, Prime?
Why is it hitting 10 now?
Until August 1st, I can sub. Probably sub to you. I think it's a month from when you subscribe. So... Oh, Suxin. Until August 1st, I can sub. I don't know what exactly you mean by that, but thank you. And also, yes, what the fuck is happening? There's never been this much action on my stream. Anyway.
Maybe I just drew attention to your stream by
being... it's you. You're my lucky charm. I'm going to drag you on every stream, even though you're gonna try to sleep. Anyway, we're making a variable, so things that can hold things. and we're making it a list so multiple items can be in projectile. And then,
What the fuck?
yeah, what the fuck?
Haunted Fortress. No, no one likes that one.
Actually,
Let's find actually good.
I think we should make it a list instead of an game object array. So we're making list projectile. So I think it's this.
By the way, it's only a game object array at the moment because there's multiple traces. You don't need it for anything else.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Why are you making an array?
I'm making a list for all the rockets.
Why?
Sorry?
Why?
Because then if you have multiple rockets, like two or three rockets, instead of actually we could just do that.
Why don't you just put a script on the rocket?
Because that's annoying.
And it's also 100 million times better because you
Is
just
it
put it on
better?
a free.
Yes, it is. You're right.
Yes.
That's how I did it in the other one, and I think it was better, yeah? So we can just...
It's just easy.
What we do is we do game object projectile, and so we're gonna go back. We're making a game object, calling it projectile, and we're instantiating, so making something and saying projectile is that thing we made. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say destroy that game object instantly after that. Oh wait, what are you doing? You can give a second one, which is after how many seconds? Which is 15 seconds.
Wait, you're making a projectile. Wait, did you just use this? Are you using the shotgun as a projectile weapon?
I literally told you I was gonna make a rocket launcher.
Yeah, but the thing is, I didn't know that you were going to use a shotgun as a base, which is what I find funny.
What do you mean I'm using a shotgun as a base?
Are you using the shotgun as a placeholder?
No, I'm just using it as a cube.
Oh.
I can use a shotgun, like...
Wait, where's the cube then?
It's here.
Oh, it's because I'm watching my stream.
Are you an idiot?
Well, what do you think?
Yes. Also, I didn't really
Okay.
finish my sentence, but Suxon, I'll probably sub to you. Please do, and thank you. I'm actually very close to. There's a few people who either have to donate or sub, and then I get my first Twitch payout, which would be great. And I'll probably buy myself a stream deck if I actually I promised myself I would buy a stream deck if I get my first Twitch payout. So now we make a script for the rocket. So we call it rocket because that's what it does. When the rocket spawns, what do we want it to do? We want
Please don't tell me that I'm just being a fucking I'm being a fucking dumbass, that's why. First of all, the player wasn't tagged as a player, and second of all, I got the way that I spelled player wrong.
transform. What's the downside to using transform.translate?
No physics exists. Basically, if you're using transform.translate, you're moving the object within world space, which is causing it not to be able to collide with anything. So it will just phase through objects.
But can you still check for collision?
No. Unless you use a raycast and just reinvent the whole physics system yourself.
And that's stupid, so we're gonna use rigid bodies.
Yes. And also transform.translate based movement is more for like static games where you stay on one level.
Yeah, that's really
Like on one Y level, I mean.
On one Y level. That's
Bro, why
okay.
the hell is one of the songs in his playlist called Seduce Me?
Because the spy says seduce me and meet the spy. No, it's not in Meet the Spy. It's in another one of his voice lines. He says seduce me.
Yeah, it is. Bro, the song for this is so weird.
So we're gonna use a rigid body, which basically simulates physics for the people who were not here at the start. But instead of simulating physics, we're just using it to move it and to check if it hit something.
Oh, this is the best song ever. I
So we're
want
not
this in my
we're making it not use gravity because it's a rocket. It should just move forward. Drag should be 0.
I've done my bit, by the way.
So what did you do?
If you're above a certain speed, then you switch to the next scene when you hit the cue.
Good. Now,
now time to model a rocket.
yes, that's a good one. Thank you. Fix update.
No problem.
So now, what we do is we basically say velocity. We say rigid body, which is the rigid body of the rocket. So basically, rocket dot set the velocity or the speed to whatever speed we want. Which is quite interesting. We always wanted to move forward, so we just do transform.forward. That was hard. And then times a certain value, which will be just we make this public so we can actually change it in the editor. We make another one which is float speed, which we're gonna define in speed is we're gonna define that in the rocket launcher script so that basically we can make this script easier. So what we do is make this public, otherwise we can't access it in another script. But we're gonna say hide in inspector, so we can't see it in the editor. So now that we're in the rocket spec, we can say projectile dot get component, which means we're gonna look for one of the components on the object. We're gonna look for the script called rocket, and then we're gonna look for the variable called speed. So rocket speed equals, and then we're gonna actually need to make a speed. I will forgive meow you bits. Thank you for doing that.
I'm very confused about what that person just said.
Yeah, they mistyped a few times. It's fine. I just think it's funny. Sorry?
A few times.
A few, the entire sentence, every single word.
Times. Okay,
Oh, Nemesis is live.
I have no idea who that is.
One of the guys who will also join the SMP.
Ah.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I hate calling it as SMP because it just feels wrong.
It's because Dream.
It's overused. It's not specifically
Dream.
because of Dream.
Dream. It is
I think
because of Dream.
Dream is a bit of an idiot, but I don't hate him personally. Like, because he's popular. I hate him because he said. I don't hate him. I just think he's a bit stupid because of the things he said. They weren't big smart.
Wait. Is he against gay people? That'd be pretty gay.
No, it's not that bad.
Okay, good. At least it's not that bad.
It's not like that. It's
Thank fuck.
different bad.
I'd be dead then.
As in, he's supporting his fans doxing people.
Oh yeah, I remember that. That was funny. He's
Yeah.
so stupid.
It's not
He's so silly.
Rocket speed. So now we set speed to rocket speed, and bada bing bada boom, we have the entire script of rocket, the rocket launcher sort of done. The main part of rocket launcher is done. So every fixed update, so every 50th of a second, it sets the velocity to something, which means it's gonna go forward. Now though, what we need to do is check if the rocket hit something. So we're gonna do darkened light. Fuck, what is it, sir? Can't give you my bits. Why not? Like, you don't have to, so it's fine if you can, but I'm just wondering why not. Collision. On collision, enter. Twitch is having a stroke. Either restart Twitch or give up and don't give me bits, because you don't have to. So if... Hello, Hoax, you still there?
Look at this. This is a good base. So
It's a good base. Nice.
it's not the actual thing. It's just the base.
And Twitch having a stroke isn't that weird, honestly. It's like a weekly occurrence.
Mate, the thing used to be owned by Amazon. It probably still is. I bet. Is it still owned by Amazon?
It used to be not owned by Amazon. It is owned
Yeah,
by
but-
Amazon now.
Yeah, you know. Well, of course it's having a stroke then.
I wouldn't say it's because of that. Twitch hasn't changed much since Amazon bought it, I think.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
Except
have the
Amazon
experience.
Prime, of course. Which is only a good thing. Because you can pay the same amount, but instead of everything going to Jeffrey Bezos and his companies, some of it goes to me. Like how Dark and Light did it. And I'm very thankful for that. So on the collision, basically what we do is we destroy this object, so game object. Game object lowercase just means itself. So destroy me. So if the rocket hits something, destroy itself. But it's not only gonna do that, it's also gonna, trigger an explosion. For now, what we can do is, okay, Dark and Light 2. Bit. That's a few bits. How many is it? 28. I can, yes. I can do math, basic math. 7 times 4. So, collision, is that singular? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot. So now we can do... We need to make more variables. We need to do float, which is knock back, which we can set, and then we need public float damage, which is also in the rocket launcher script, but what we need is explosion radius, so public float explosion size work better. For, like, yeah. So what we do is when we hit something, bit 28, I would money to Hoax, but he is just worse. Don't be mean to my friend Hoax like that.
Hey.
And also you cannot give him money. He does not have affiliate yet.
Yeah, because I'm not a big time streamer.
Yet. The magic
I'm never
word.
gonna be. It's not really my.
If you don't
favorite
like
thing
doing
to
it,
do.
no, of course, that's fine.
I prefer YouTube.
That's fine. YouTube's also pretty cool. Go subscribe to my YouTube, by the way. It should be linked below. If you scroll down a bit.
Bro, this dude's down bad. He's promoting so much.
Yeah. There's a person giving me money. Of course I'm gonna try to get more money out of them if they want to give me money. So void explode.
You sound like you did business. Or are doing business.
I might as well, right?
I mean, I am, so.
Oh nah, bro, really promoting skull emoji.
Oh nah bruh, really promoting. Skull.
Yeah, bro, you can't be doing that on your own
Skull.
stream, lazy.
Yeah, I can't promote myself on my own stream. And also thanks for the another 28 bits. 32.
fuck?
It's 32 this time. I can
What
just
is
see
this
that. I don't have
math
to do math. My worst enemy. Math, even though I really like math. Also, I might have cut out because I hit my mic again.
Math. And also, you didn't cut out.
64. 128. Oh no, 265. 1024. I'm getting so many notifications. I'm getting distracted. So basically,
Yes, Lee.
in
You tell me
Explode.
not to.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
bullshit.
I'm a
You're
hypocrite. Am I a dumbass? Am I a dumbass?
Yes.
Dark and light. Am I really? Because fair enough. So in Explode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check everything around us. So we're gonna do physics dot sphere. No, sphere cast is something else. Overlap sphere, which basically looks at a big ball around us to check for objects that we hit. So for each, so for every rigid body, no.
Do you like this so far?
Let me look.
It's starting to get better slowly.
Are you designing the rocket or the rocket launcher?
Launcher.
Okay, very TF2 inspired. Me like
Because of this.
the entire shape, but that doesn't matter. Basically, what we're gonna do now is hydrates. Okay, 3 hydrates.
Rip. You're gonna drown today.
Make sure it comes out of the rocket and not the face. Oh, trust me, I know. What we're gonna do is we're gonna overlap sphere. For each game object in a game object by the name, and we're gonna name that hit object. So hit obj. For every game object in the sphere that we're gonna the invisible sphere that we're basically gonna make, which is at the position of the rocket. So transform, which is its own transform. So its own values of where it is in space and time. Transform that position, and then the radius, which means we'll have to do explosion size. Yeah, that's all we need for an overlap sphere, actually. Is it? Dot game cannot explicitly convert collider. Yeah. So okay. Overlap sphere dot transform. No, wait, what? Am I an idiot? Don't answer that. Overlap sphere will get a collider. So we need to check for every collider. So hit collid. Yeah, sure. So for if we have a hit collid, what we do is we're gonna make another variable and we're gonna test, does it have a rigid body? So does it simulate physics? So hit rigid body hit ridge equals, or hit RB, because that's what we call rigid bodies, equals hit collider dot get component rigid body. Yeah, and I've done it wrong. I should do these characters, because that's different for some reason. And now if hit RB is not empty, so if it actually has a rigid body, if it's defined, then we should do something. And that something that we're gonna do is add an explosive force. An explosive force which will be Float explosion force, explosion position, explosion radius, upwards modifier. Float explosion force. We should first do that. So we do knockback for that. And then in the position of the rocket, of course. And explosion radius is just explosion size. Boom. We have all those values correctly. 10.
Yo, how's my one viewer doing? It's very sick. Oh wait, no, it's you, lazy, isn't it? Sick.
Maybe.
Yeah. I'm doing very well right now.
And
My back is breaking. Yeah, it's because of these Spotify ads. They fucking ruin me.
yeah, I'm definitely not spoiled with Spotify Premium
I mean, I used to have Spotify Premium, but it's just
until I took an arrow to the knee. No?
dark, please. Dark. Okay, I'll allow it.
What did he do?
Look at my chat.
Fine. Well, he said that, but he's wrong.
Don't say it, lazy. Don't say it, lazy.
No. I'm just saying. I know that I have 0 bitches.
Very nice, very nice.
I am loner moment.
Oh no, it's that one.
Lazy guy?
No, I'm gonna listen to copyrighted music.
Don't you dare.
It's the best type of music.
I can guarantee you it is not.
It is.
You're gonna have a bad time, just like the
I know. I get banned. And it's
What bitches does
based-
this man have? The non-existent type. He is maidenless. Haha. That's a reference that is definitely not out of fuck, words are getting complicated.
It's a web PNG, for fuck's sake.
That's definitely not a reference that's old or anything. So now, if we bye. So the thing here is that we're gonna have trouble because what we want to do is trigger explode on every other rocket that is. Actually, we can skip that. No one cares about that for now. We want to add an explosive force, and for now, that's all we need to do because we don't have health yet.
On the enemies there, our health.
What is the script called?
Called. I don't remember. Just check.
Okay, I'll check. Health. It's called Health Manager E.
Yeah, because the E stands for enemy, by the way.
I thought so. So what we do is we do the same thing that we did here, except we change it to healthy health manager E. Hit health equals hit collider dot get component hit health. No, that's not the component. It's called health manager. Health manager E to be exact. If health manager E is not empty, then we should do something. Because hit health is not empty. We should do something, and that something is we should do hit health dot health minus equals actually, because that looks cleaner, and then the damage, which we have not defined. So we should do D, which means it copies it. Public float health No, damage. I'm an idiot. Damage depends on what weapon, which means we're gonna define it in the rocket spec. What language is this? This is C#.
What language is this?
Unity in C#. Unity uses C#, and I think it can use JavaScript. Can you confirm that?
Yes. Okay.
But JavaScript sucks, so we're gonna use C#.
Actually, JavaScript would probably be better because C# is just sucks ass.
It does not.
It does compared to JavaScript. Even JavaScript can beat it.
I don't believe you.
I believe myself.
Okay, I can't only read JavaScript. You can only read JavaScript, or you can't only read JavaScript, which I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. So now we do. We quickly do project.
By the way, the original design wasn't realistic enough, so I've redone it.
Oh, okay.
Let me think of. No, this isn't good music. Oh, actually, no, this is really good music. What am I talking about?
Equals. Rocket. Projectile script. That's a pretty long name, but it doesn't matter for now. So now we basically check if the script, if it has a script once, or like grab the script once, and then we can just keep referring to that same one. So we can do speed equals rocket speed, and then projectile script dot damage equals damage. Did you? You absolute cretin.
What did I do?
You keep varying between capital letters in the beginning of variables.
2 years of unsolicited and unmanaged game development.
The thing is,
where
for
you don't
half
wanna
of
do
them, you
anything.
don't.
Listen to me. I was about to finish my sentence.
I know what you
thank
mean, but fuck you.
I said game development I don't want to do, but I'm forced to by myself.
Do you like game development? Do you want to do it in your future?
I like game development. I want to do it in my future, but I hate this project, and I've soft launched into it thanks to.
You hate the
think Steam-
project because you just do stuff without a direction. You should first think of the game, how you want the
I've
game to
done
be,
that 5 times now.
and you can't keep your attention on it.
Yes.
And
because-
also, that's not true, because right now you don't know what you want the game to be.
Yes, I know. It's exactly true. I don't know what I want the game to be, so.
Bro should first stop simping.
Bro should first stop simping. That doesn't even make sense. Dark and light. I'm sorry. And also, I can code in it. You can code in JavaScript. Very nice. Your language sucks because I don't like it, which means it obviously sucks. This is heavy sarcasm. Okay, so knockback and explosion size will be fine. So, okay. So in theory, it should kind of work. Weapons. So the rocket will have its own rigid body, which is very cool. I don't like it, so it sucks. Fair, yeah, that is basically what sort of racism. Basically, it is different from me, so it sucks, and that's way dumber. It's both dumb, but it's way dumber. Explosion radius. Five units. Knockback. Let's do 10 for now. Oh yeah, I should maybe subtract health, and that's damage.
Need to add.
You need to add
bevel.
what?
No, not build.
I said add. You need to add
No,
what?
I know. I just added the modifier. That's all. Bevel modifier.
Bevel modifier. Nice. Maybe I
'Cause
should.
it's easier than beveling.
Yeah, duh. Maybe I should actually define the speed of the rocket. You know.
Yes, lazy.
So now we're looking around in our scene, and we click on the weapon, and we say, "Oh, we know what the rocket speed should be. It should be 10 or whatever." And then the damage should be also 10 because I make the rules and I can do whatever the fuck I want. That's not exactly what I wanted.
Hey, lazy. This is almost done.
Nice, let me see. Ah. Now you just have to model the rocket. And
A
that.
grenade. Sorry, it's grenade.
Sure.
RPG. Rocket-propelled grenade.
Oh, I didn't even know it stood for that.
Did you not know that?
No, I'm not a very big gun fan.
Well, I am. I'm not even American. Bro, this image is from howstuffworks.com. Are you telling me there's a whole website on how rocket-propelled grenades work?
Of course there is. It's the internet. What did you expect?
Firing an RPG. The RPG operator or an artillery assistant takes a propellant charge, boosts it in image below, and screws it into the end of the warhead. Basically, this is a stabilizing pipe that has 4 stabilizing fins that are folded around it, with 2 additional fins at its rear end. A cardboard container encases the back end of the stabilizing pipe. Inside the cardboard container, a squib of nitroglycerine powder is wrapped around the stabilizing pipe, and a primer or charge of gunpowder is stuffed in the end of the stabilizing pipe. The RPG operator or artillery person then takes the assembled artillery and loads it into the front end of the RPG launcher, so that it lines up with the trigger mechanism. After the RPG operator pulls the trigger, this is what happens. The force of the buildup of gas throws the grenade immediately out the tube, approximately 384 feet per second, 117 meters per second. The abrupt acceleration of the grenade, leaving the launch trigger, like piezoelectric.
Can you read it in a more monotone voice, or a voice that screams, "I want to die"?
No.
Ah, yeah, thought so.
I mean, I want to die. Well, pretty funny how I'm currently reading something on how to operate a rocket-propelled grenade.
Seems fine to me. Anyway, I'm currently rocket propelling grenades.
You're making the script, I'm making the shitty model.
It is currently working. Except the explosion is not working. Like, I'm not getting pushed back. But, fuck you.
Daisy, I honestly don't care what you're doing. I don't care what I'm doing. I'm sick of this project.
Maybe the knockback should be higher.
Yeah, do it yourself, lazy.
Oh, really? The thing I'm working on, I should do myself?
Why not?
Really?
Okay, let's see. Ah,
I
fuck.
didn't know that.
There we go.
Okay, so knockback, we're just gonna do the 500 because I think explosion and explosive force is shit. And requires, it requires a really high number. But it does kind of work if you look at my stream. Okay, so now that kind of works. What I'm going to do is go up here, shoot this enemy, and see if I can murder it to death.
I'm gonna see if I've got copyright
Oh.
striked yet.
That's
Still, I'm not yet.
not amazing.
What? Lazy, tell me.
I don't know. It's not interacting right with the enemies.
What's it doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Also, if I make a rigid body kinematic, can I still check for collisions?
Yes, because it's collisions run on the collider, not the rigid body.
So if
Yeah.
I make it kinematic, it won't bounce around. Never mind. I'm just not gonna do that then.
I can just help you. Not like I made the script.
No, you didn't.
Well, I made the enemy script at least.
Yeah, but that's not the problem. The
Oh.
problem is with my code.
Ah, lazy. Finally, the problem is yours.
Shut up. So basically, if on collision enter, explode. Maybe I should do destroy game object in explode. Have you ever thought of that?
I'm currently suffering from heartburn, so I can't really think about that right now.
I don't know what that is exactly.
Don't worry.
What is that exactly?
Acid's touching your little heart.
Ouch.
That's quite a bit. I'm used to it now. It happens often.
Oh, okay. Not very nice, I would say.
Yep.
Maybe, just maybe, we shouldn't apply the collision to itself or other rockets.
Mhm.
So, in theory, we shouldn't add that. And hit collider dot compare tag is not equal to, what was the tag called again? Shut up. It's ignore player. Why did you use a space? Okay, never mind.
Why did I use what?
Never mind.
Lazy complain about my code.
No. Because you're just gonna scream at me.
No, complain about my code.
No.
No,
No, I'm not doing it now that you want it. It's not
No, but
code
then-
anyway.
I'd be able to, do a thing called improve.
Ignore player is not defined. What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Ignore player is not a tag, it's a layer.
That explains my stupidity.
Yep, that's why I use layer masks. And also dot layer doesn't exist.
Yeah, I noticed.
And by the way, you could just have because ignore player doesn't mean that it shouldn't be able to be fired at, by the way. So it doesn't need to be checked.
I get it.
Because it just means that it shouldn't be able to collide. That's all that happened. That's the first time I've contributed to this stream.
And
The game as well. Where is this level?
is not equal. Dot game object is not equal to.
Your mother.
So now it can't bounce itself back,
Yeah. There you go.
which shouldn't really have been.
Okay. Look at this, lazy. Isn't this beautiful? This little iron sight here.
Can I kill this damn thing?
What the fuck is happening to your projectiles?
Magic is what I call it.
It's adding an explosion force to itself.
Yeah,
You
I
do
noticed. Not itself, to other rockets. Anyway, I have killed the enemy, which means it does work.
Alright, sick. As long as it's working now.
And
Oh, I got sent another thing by Darkened Light. I'm not playing that. Do you know why?
no.
Good cock music.
Ah, yes, very nice.
I'm playing it.
No,
I'm not
don't.
playing it. I'm gonna mute my desktop.
So now it shouldn't hit rockets anymore.
It's just a chicken wrapping.
So in theory, it shouldn't. Why is it?
If tag equals rocket, then
But
don't do that shit.
Yeah, okay, so I guess I'll just tag it rocket then.
Tag what rocket?
The rocket
pre-
rocket. There isn't a
thought you-
rocket tag yet, you dummy.
My taste in music is amazing.
It sure is not.
Dark. I'd like. No, I wasn't talking to you.
I know.
Oh.
I know you were talking about hit like something in your chat, right?
Yeah, it was no, it wasn't in my chat. It was a DM
Oh.
from Dark.
Yeah, same difference. And hit collider dot compare tag is not equal to rockets. Sure. So now it shouldn't be able to do that anymore.
Dun, 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 dun. Ba-dun,
What?
What? Dun, 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 dun.
Nick? Nothing.
Mm-mm.
I wasn't being stupid.
You're being stupid 100%.
Maybe
Mm-mm.
that doesn't mean I have to be known as someone who's stupid.
Yep, you do.
Wait a second. Oh, that's just a map. Okay. I think that's good for today.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I haven't even finished mine yet.
So that means I'm going to click this raid button. And I'm going to... Are you gonna still stream? I don't think so. Are
Please
you?
don't read me.
Okay.
I will still stream, but no one needs to watch this.
I'm gonna raid Nemesis then. And I'm gonna help you with... Or if you're just tired, go to sleep, my guy.
I'm not tired, it's just that I'm sick of this project now.
And goodbye.
You know? Let me quickly